Hello guys, welcome again. Rodrich here from Orbit Academy. So this is another video on new crypto asset SafeMoon. So I made a video last time on how to buy and hold SafeMoon using your Trust wallet and Pancake swap. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to buy more SafeMoon. I'm going to be showing you guys how I'm buying more of SafeMoon. I already bought about 4,000 bucks worth of SafeMoon, but I have just a few bucks here. I'm going to be showing how to buy more SafeMoon. But my main reason for making this video is because SafeMoon has been getting a lot of attention recently. If you can see here, let's head over here to the Twitter page. As you can see here, SafeMoon has had 220,000 subscribers just recently. 220,000 subscribers, followers on Twitter. As you can see here, SafeMoon, they're having very interesting projects going on. They're working on the exchange plans, and you can see here it's incredible. There are so many people buying SafeMoon. As you can see here on the official Twitter account. We are more than a token. We are SafeMoon. We are family. So you can see SafeMoon is an interesting project, and I think that is going to be hanging around for a while. So I think it's a very good place for you to put in some money and expect some high returns. As usual guys, this is no financial advice, so before getting into these investments, be sure of what you're doing, do your research, be ready to lose what you put in. We'll take no blame for anything. So this is just a disclaimer as I'm saying it right now. So be ready to lose what you put in into any of these assets. These are high risk, high return. So be aware. Do not put more than you can risk. Just put what you can risk, and don't do more than you can. Okay. So let's scroll a little bit downwards. You can see here. So why I'm buying SafeMoon is because recently the CEO of SafeMoon mentioned that SafeMoon is going to be listed in Coinbase and Binance and other platforms come Wednesday. So that's why I'm buying SafeMoon. So on the 21st, 22nd, and 23rd of April, we should expect seeing SafeMoon on exchange platforms like Binance, Coinbase, and others. So according to me, if I'm to predict the price is going to increase considerably after the listing. So that's why I want to buy. I've already bought more SafeMoon and I'm holding it, but I'm just going to be using one of my wallets to show you how I'm buying a few bucks of SafeMoon. I think I should buy a few bucks, just about $20-$30. I can't remember how much BNB I have in my wallet. So guys, in order to buy SafeMoon, we're going to be converting our BNB in our Trust wallet to smart chain, and then we'll convert the smart chain to SafeMoon using Pancake swap. So I'm going to be showing you guys how to do that. So guys, buy SafeMoon. SafeMoon has been trending recently, and it has been trending recently, and it has been trending recently, as you can see here under technology. SafeMoon about 10,000 tweets. So I think that has surpassed Doge. You can see here, #1 search crypto in the world. It's SafeMoon, no longer Doge. SafeMoon is now the #1 search crypto in the world as of the 18th of April. So guys, without further ado, we are going to head over here. Let me show you. So for you all, this is the official website of SafeMoon, safemoon.net. So SafeMoon has had 112,000 more holders from the time of the last video. As you can see down here, they now have 612,811 holders. So guys, it's increasing. That many people get into SafeMoon. It's not late for you. I think this is the right time to get in. If you have just $1,000, get in, put in there, and wait and see how it's going to go. But I'm very positive. I think that SafeMoon is on the right track, so it's something you should be buying. So guys, let's head over here to CoinGecko. As you can see here, this is the 24-hour graph. You can see how it's increased. Let's look at the 7-day graph. It's going to take some time to load. Okay, yeah, you can see it's been going up, and I think it's going to keep going up for for a while, so it's never late. It's not yet late get into SafeMoon right now. So guys, we're going to be heading over here to our Trust wallet. Wow, I have Husky token in this wallet. I have SafeMoon in this wallet. I have some Ethereum that I just use for network fees. Recently I bought SafeMass, so now I'll be buying SafeMoon, more of SafeMoon. So guys, for this SafeMass I bought recently, I'm going to leave the link to the video in the description, so you can see how to buy SafeMass using Trust Wallet and Pancake Swap. So it's a similar process to SafeMoon. I just have about 1,200 bucks of SafeMass. I just bought this one for the purposes of making that other video. I'm going to leave the link to that video in the description below. But for right now, I'll be focusing on buying more SafeMoon. So I'll buy more SafeMoon here with about 20 bucks. You can see in my smart chain I have $28. So guys, for those of you on Android, you're going to head over to this browser here, the apps. But for those on iPhone, you're going to have to enable your Trust browser before you can access Pancake Swap. So you head over to Pancake Swap. That is after converting your BNB to smart chain. You head over to Pancake Swap to do this to swap. Okay, so here I want to do BNB. I want to convert everything to SafeMoon. Search SafeMoon. So guys, if you've never had SafeMoon before, you're not going to see SafeMoon here. Oh, so that's not enough. Wow, so I do not have enough to buy that, so I'm going to need more BNB. No, that's enough. So guys, here, so if you come here and you search for SafeMoon and you can't find it, SafeMoon, guys, just head over here to SafeMoon's website. I think they should have the contract somewhere on the website. If not, as you can see here, this is SafeMoon's roadmap. You can go to their website at safemoon.net. You go through it and see if you're really interested in the project. I, for one, I'm interested in the project, but for now I'm going to head over to CoinGecko, where I'm going to get the contract. So here you can see the contract address for SafeMoon. I'll just copy it, copy the contract address, head over to my Trust wallet. So here, if this is your first time, you've never searched SafeMoon on Pancake Swap, if you just paste the contract address here, you see it's going to bring up SafeMoon. I already have it appearing here because I already did the last time I bought SafeMoon. So here, SafeMoon, I want to buy SafeMoon. SafeMoon, I'm going to swap, confirm swap. Come on. Swapping a few bucks. SafeMoon, yeah, swap, approve. 24 bucks swap. Okay, so guys, this is how you buy SafeMoon using your Trust wallet and Pancake Swap. It's a very easy process, guys. Get in, buy now. I believe that by Wednesday or Thursday, that's the 21st and 22nd of April, we're going to be having a serious pump of SafeMoon and other tokens like SafeMass. The links to the videos in the description below. Just see how to buy all these tokens. So guys, thank you for watching. If you want to see more videos on how we buy these high risk, high return assets, click the subscribe button, click the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos. Thank you guys for watching. See you in the next video.